With the current economic situation, especially here in Nigeria, and the hike in the prices of things, it's almost beginning to feel like skincare is for people that have money, but that's not true, guys. There are lots and lots of affordable skincare products out there. The truth is, skincare products doesn't have to be expensive. You must not buy the expensive one in order to get a beautiful skin. There are other affordable skincare products out there. If you are a student, a stay-at-home mom, a full-time housewife, or even a small business owner, and you're looking forward to starting your skincare journey, then make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you guys affordable head to toe skincare products, from your body lotions, your face cream, your bar soap, the oils, and other products that you can incorporate into that simple routine. Your routine doesn't even have to be too much. You don't need too much on your skin, guys. Besides, the current 2025 skincare trend that I'm very, very interested in is the minimalism part of it. So anything that you're doing in your skin, it doesn't have to be too much. Just keep it simple, guys, and you'll still achieve that beautiful skin of your choice. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi my love, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, and here on this channel we talk about everything skincare, beauty, self-improvement, self-growth. If this sounds like any of the things you're interested in, please kindly hit the subscription button to support your girl, guys. Please kindly subscribe. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first to be notified. So without further ado, let's dive into why we're here. So when it comes to skincare, guys, we all know that skincare routine begins with cleansing, then moisturizing, then treatments can come in, and then other products as well can come in. So we're going to begin with the face. So when it comes to the face and when it comes to your cleansing, this is what I'll be recommending for you guys: this rice milk bar soap. It is not advisable to use the same products on your body and then the same on your face, especially for those that have sensitive skin. I will advise you to use this bar soap on your face. This is going to be your regular face bar soap. This is the only soap you're going to be using on your face. This rice milk bar soap is very, very good. It's going to help you maintain your face. It's going to help prevent acne breakout. It's going to help to fade dark spots massively. So I'm going to recommend this soap for you guys. And then when it comes to moisturizing your face, I'm going to recommend two products for you guys. The first one is this aloe vera gel, and then the second one is this Dodo face cream. This face cream is actually underrated. This face cream is very good. It's very, very, very good, and it's affordable as well. All the products I'm going to be showing you guys, they are affordable. Okay, so the bar soap I show you guys, you can get this bar soap for as low as 1,200. Sorry, I forgot to mention earlier. You can even get it for 1,000 naira. In some places, even 900 naira, you get this jam rice milk bar soap. So let's proceed. This particular Dodo face cream, like I said earlier, in fact, it is underrated. This face cream is very good. The only issue is some people don't know how to use it. You guys are not using it the right way. That's why it's either too harsh also on some people, or it's giving them an allergy reaction. So if you want to use this particular face cream, you have to get this aloe vera gel. So what you do is, in the morning after taking your shower, if you frequent the sun a lot during the day and maybe you don't have sunscreen, I will advise you to use only this during the day. After taking your bath, just rub this on your face and you're good to go. But if you have sunscreen, when you rub this, you top it up with this Dodo face cream, and then you apply your sunscreen and you're good to go. But if you don't have sunscreen, please guys, use this only in the morning, and then you use this at night. You don't even have to use this every day. You can skip this. Let this be your regular moisturizer for your face. I made a video on treatment lotion versus the normal moisturizing lotion. I will put the link in the description so that you guys can watch it, so that you understand what I'm saying better. Okay, so next we're going to be talking about is, let's go to the body. So when it comes to the body, you just need your simple body lotion, your scrub, your bar soap and your oil. You don't need too much, guys, like I said earlier. So when it comes to your body lotion, the body lotion I'm going to be recommending for you guys is this particular Nivea product. Any of this Nivea, either this Nivea, this particular one, Radiant and Beauty, or you go with this Perfect and Radiant, any of them. So if you're dark or caramel skin, go with this one. If you're light skin, go with this one. I know you guys will begin to tell me, Nivea normally darkens the skin, it makes me dark. Don't worry, I got you guys. I'm not done yet when it comes to your body lotion. So you're going to be adding one lightening body lotion, and I will always recommend this Eliza. If you're buying your body lotion, buy one Nivea and buy one Eliza light glutathione body lotion. You pair them together. You'll be using this one as your regular body lotion, and then this one will be your treatment lotion. You can be using this one 3 or 4 times in a week, and only at night. Please do not use this cream every day. The trick here is, as this one is trying to give you that even skin tone, it's trying to blend your skin, then this one will now be doing the lightening. It will help you to be getting rid of any form of dark spots, and it will not darken your skin. If you do it this way, it will not darken your skin. So you can also do it. That's if you're light skin. Please, if you're dark skin, just stick to only this one, okay? If you're dark skin. But if you're light skin, or you want to tune your skin a little bit, then you can go with this particular one, and then you'll be tweaking it with this. Remember, only 3 times in a week or 4 times, and only at night. You know, you don't use this during the day. This cream is too strong. It's not for everyday use. So that way your Nivea will not be darkening your skin. It will still be maintaining your complexion, and you will still be having that bright effect on your skin. When it comes to cleansing, I will recommend this bar soap, guys. This drip bar soap. I find this bar soap very, very interesting because it is, number one, it is made in Nigeria, and it is also affordable. Can you guys believe that with this current economy situation, you can get a soap for as low as 900 naira? In some places, I think highest 1000 naira. This soap is very, very good, and this soap contains niacinamide, and we all know that niacinamide helps very well to treat hyperpigmentation. It's also going to help you improve wrinkles and fine lines. If you have wrinkles and fine lines, this soap is very, very good. It's going to help you. So I've used this soap for almost 2 months now. I started using this soap somewhere around I think February, if I'm not mistaken. I started using the soap. This one, it has finished. So this is the current one that I'm using now, this particular one. Another thing you should know about this soap is it contains salicylic acid, and we all know what salicylic acid does to your skin. Salicylic acid is a very good exfoliant. It also helps to battle acne. It's an acne fighting agent. So this soap is very, very nice, and it also smells very good. This perfume is not too strong, so even if you have a sensitive skin, you can go ahead and use it. But then another important thing you should know about this particular drip bar soap is that it contains salicylic acid. So if you are allergic to all this pain relief, all these non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, then you want to stay away from this drip bar soap. So guys, next we're going to be talking about is body oils. When it comes to body oils, like, I don't joke with body oils in my skincare routine. I don't joke with body oils. So I'm going to be recommending this particular baby oil for you guys. Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? This Cousins baby oil. I don't joke with this oil, guys. This oil is very, very good. If you're a beginner, you cannot afford all those expensive oils, this is it. And you like, or if you like to keep it simple, whether you're a beginner or not, or you just want to keep it simple, you see this oil, this particular pink one, don't joke with it, guys. This oil is very, very good. This oil contains almond oil in it. It will give you that soothing and calm effects on your skin. Lastly, guys, what is skincare without exfoliating? No matter the amount of skincare you're doing, if you're not exfoliating, you're wasting your time. So guys, you see this glove sponge? Make this glove sponge your friend. Even if you cannot afford scrub, use this glove sponge 2 times in a week with your normal regular bar soap to use it to exfoliate. Only the sponge alone is an exfoliant, even without adding any scrub on it. Just use it once or twice in a week. Have your regular soft bathing sponge, but let this be your exfoliating sponge if you cannot afford scrub. But then if you can afford scrub, you can go ahead and use this E45 scrub. I love this scrub, guys. It contains peach and avocado in it. It is also very, very affordable. You can get this for as low as 4,000 naira, depending on your location. Remember, no pressure. If you cannot afford any scrub, guys, please just get this exfoliating sponge and use it with your regular bar soap and use it to exfoliate 2 times or once in a week, and you're good to go. So guys, I really hope you found this helpful. All the products that I've mentioned, they are affordable. Please let me know in the comment section which one you're going to be trying, and let me know if you are using any of them and how far has it been so far since you started using it. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you're still here to subscribe, please guys, kindly hit the subscription button to support your girl. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to like my video and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. See you guys in my next. Bye.